Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have yet another pair of earbuds from a company called Soundpeats. This is the Air 5 Pro. Let's have a look at the box. So we got the Soundpeats logo right here. We got high-res wireless audio and LDAC. On the back of the box we have actually a picture of the case and the earbuds, how they look like. And we got some features. So Bluetooth 5.4, frequency response rate from 20 Hz to 40 kHz, maximum working distance is 10 meters, playtime about 7.5 hours up to 37 hours with the charging case. So basically when the earbuds are done, just pop them back in the charging case. The charging case has a battery built in as well and it will charge the earbuds. And the battery capacity is 35 milliamp hour for earbuds and 520 milliamp hour for the charging case. Pretty much that's it with the case. Let's open it and I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside. So let's do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. We have two extra pairs of silicone ear adapters for your ear canal. We have a USB type A to USB type C cable which is used for charging, and we have the earbuds themselves. This is the case. It just flips open like this. It's pretty neat. It's also magnetic, so once you drop the buds in there they will stay there because it's got tiny magnets. On the bottom we have pairing button and a USB type C port which is used for charging. And pretty much that's it. That's all you get inside the box. I am going to go ahead now and pair it to my phone and maybe we play some royalty free music or my YouTube intro because I don't want my video get demonetized again. And I will show you how easy it is to pair everything up. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so to set it up is super simple. All you have to do is open your device Bluetooth settings and press that pairing button that I showed you for a few seconds until the light flashes. It's gonna show here Soundpeats Air 5 Pro. Just click on it. It's gonna be like pair with Soundpeats. You just press pair. You only gotta do that once and that's it. It's ready to go. It should be connected right now. It says here on the Bluetooth menu, it says Soundpeats Air 5 Pro connected. So if we take them out just like so, let's try to increase the volume to the max and we play one of my videos. I'm gonna take one, put it next to the mic. Yeah, everything just works. Again, super simple to pair, easy to use. As I mentioned, you only gotta do that pairing thing once. Once that is done, just open your Bluetooth settings on your phone and just click on Soundpeats, or if it's open, it might connect automatically. Depends how many Bluetooth devices you are paired to. I have over like 300 because all of the Bluetooth products I've been testing. But I think once the case is open and you turn on your Bluetooth on your phone, you should connect by itself. If you guys want to buy them, I'm gonna have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching and I will see you in the next one.